is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back at IAA for another Insurance Auto Auctions walk around. Let's jump into this. If you missed it, I recorded this one in a previous week's video. This one was supposed to be at the beginning of this week's video. I don't know if you guys saw it, but earlier in the week, I said there's a couple of cars missing and I had to improvise to fill the void. This is one of them. This car was supposed to be way over there, way over there, and here it is, somewhere completely different. Now, it says release lever broke. Okay, if you missed the video, a Black Widow made an attempt on my life. This car has been sitting for a long time. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. Look at that. The hood release on these, on the Minis, is on the passenger side, not the driver's side, all right? Now, it says that the hood lever is broke. Now, the problem with this car, the main issue, is that the hood release is somewhere over here, and there was a spider here that tried to get me. Let's see if he's out today. See, the hood release, where is he? I don't see him. Did he leave? I think he left. I sure hope so, because it's a Black Widow. And I sure don't like Black Widows, man. I try to live and let live, though. Like, I'm not big on trying to kill things, but this is the hood latch right here. This is his spider web. And the hood release is right there where that headlight is. So you got to put your hands in here where that Black Widow resides. Anyway, this is Supercharged, and as far as anyone else knows, other than you and me, this car is a non-runner. It is listed as a non-running vehicle. But let me show you something. We got a little bit of juice left in the old booster pack here, and I think this little girl might surprise you. All right. Is it me, or does this look like a supercharged Dodge Neon? I mean, seriously, look at this valve cover. I know it says Mini, but this is exactly how the old Dodge Neon 2.0 liter used to be set up. I don't know what displacement this motor is. I have no idea. But it wouldn't surprise me if it's somewhere around 2.0 liters. It looks very similar to a Dodge Neon. All right. We gave her some juice. I really do wonder where that spider went, man. That thing makes me nervous. Just Black Widows, man. Whew. She got the sunroof. She got a little dent in the front there, not too bad. The seats, you know, that seat's a little rough. And there's spider webs down here too, man. This thing's had spiders just all in it. Ugh. I am probably going to bid on this car this week. I do believe. Let's throw a key in it, see what it does. Uh-oh. There we go. We got juice. Oh. There she goes. There she goes. I mean, you tell me. Is that running? Oh, do we have a window? Yes, we do. Yeah. Oh, the sunroof works too? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. With a manual transmission, huh? All right. Reverse is way over there. Clutch? Yep. She got a clutch. 6th gear? Yep. She got a clutch. 181,000 miles on the odometer. Cold air conditioning. We'll turn that off. Brake light is on. Now it's not. Service engine light. Yep. It's got one of them. Ooh, listen to that. She doesn't sound bad, guys. She doesn't sound bad at all. She's low on fuel. Let's get out. Well, this thing needs a seat is what it needs. That driver's seat is in awful, awful shape. It's got a lot of residue back here. I'm not sure why. It had tape all over it at some point. What do you guys think? The Mini Cooper S. What year was this again? 2003. Advanced Remarketing Services. She's got good looking tires. She does sound a little loud up here though, don't she? I don't know. What do you think that is? Yeah, it sounds like we got a pulley or something going out. Maybe valve train. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. We got some writing over here. I'm not sure what it says, but somebody obviously did a little work on her. Yeah, anyway, that's our little secret, guys. A little dent in the front there. Not too bad, though. Not too bad. I'd still drive it. What do you guys think of the little Mini, man? Yeah, we'll go ahead and shut off. Oh, man. Look at that over there. Oh, my goodness. That is absolutely awful. Good Lord. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show you guys. It's our secret. Like I said, I ain't telling nobody else but you. So if somebody tries bidding on it, somebody finds out about it, I'm gonna know that you told them. We're gonna have a problem. All right, moving on to the next. Next on my list, a 2003 Chevy Avalanche. Why? Because I like these things. I always have. I do have to wonder what happened to that. It's gone on both sides. Huh, okay. Now this car is being sold from a local car dealership. And as I've told you many times, that does concern me. And I'm sure it concerns a lot of people when they see AAR auto sales. They're thinking, oh, probably something seriously wrong with it. They don't realize I have a YouTube channel. They don't realize that the cars are for content. This could be the same situation. This guy might have a YouTube channel. I don't know. But for me, when I see a dealership car, it's, you know, I don't know. Makes me a little nervous. Makes me a little nervous. 207,000 on the odometer. I'm sure she's got a Vortec under the hood. Oh boy. Dang, son. She smells pretty bad. She sure does. She's also dead as a doornail. Hell, it could be a repossession. Repossessions scare me too. I know you're wondering why we're not looking at the Ford. I know y'all'd rather be looking at this Ford than this Chevy. I already know. I would too. I would too. So just to appease you, that's why we're not looking at it, man. She took a nasty crunch to the front. Nasty. It may be all right. I don't know though, guys. Frame rail may be straight. She's obviously gonna need new inner and outer fender, new hood, new core support, yada yada yada, new bumper, new tire, maybe a new wheel too, I don't know. Anyway, this one is not on the list, guys, so we can't mess with it right now. This one is on the list though, and we can mess with that. So did I not pop the dadgum hood? Oh hell, my phone battery's dying again. Look, the iPhone's a great phone. It is a phenomenal phone, and it'll last. The battery lasts longer than any phone I've ever had to date. But when you record 4K 30 and you go out and you record 30 plus cars in a single day, yeah, the iPhone at 4K 30, you can't do it, man. You can't be out and recording for 6 to 8 hours a day at 4K 30 and expect your phone to last. It just doesn't work. This sucks. What's going on here? I mean, the hood is popped, but I can't get my fingers in there, guys. How are you supposed to open that? It should be like right there. No? Right there? Right there? No? Are you kidding me? I mean, it's popped, right? Is it under here? No? What in tarnation? I see the dadgum latch right there, look. But I can't get to it, and it doesn't go down. Oh, wait. It does, it's under the Chevy emblem. Slick. Slick. That's slick. They almost had me. I almost gave up on it. I did. I'm running out of battery, and they're closing. I'm running out of time. And I'm not got time to sit here and mess with things that, you know, aren't going to be working with me here. So we're going to run through this. This last bit, it's going to be super fast. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Come on. Well, that sucker is hard to get to. Oh, come on. Okay. I know that there's another connector under here for this, and I should have just used it. I just prefer, if I can, to always connect to the battery. Just the way I am. But it's made it apparent that that's not gonna happen in this case. Come on, Bertha. There we go. Okay, she's happy now. She's happy now. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's turn that off. This runs and drives? Oh, hell no. Nah, man. Nope. Oh, wow, it stinks. No. Nope. Not today. Not today. That engine cranked over way too slow. And I'll admit, when it popped off good. But I didn't like the way it cranked. Could be a bad starter, absolutely. I don't want to punish the trunk for something that may not be its fault, you know. Could be the starter. As a dealer, if it was me and someone had just jacked my catalytic converter or converters, I'd just replace them. You know, hell, I might even put straight pipes on it, whatever. But I would patch that up, fix these lights, and I'd sell it. Unless there was something severely wrong with it, at which point I would cut my own catalytic converters off, right? I would go make me a couple $100 on those, take whatever parts I could get, sell them, and then send it to auction. I'm not buying this one. Last on my list, and if the battery dies, it dies, guys. We won't be doing an outro or nothing. If it dies, it's just the end of the video. We got an Audi TT. I'm interested in this one. She looks pretty good, except for the front, of course. Decent tires. Continental. All right, it's an 06. How bad is it? I don't know. She took a pretty nasty hit right here. It doesn't look too bad, but once you get under here, oh yeah, ooh, yeah. Condenser, radiator, everything, nice and cockeyed and crooked. Now, let's pop the hood, take a closer look. Now, see, under here, it don't look so bad. It don't look so bad. Now, isn't this a DSG transmission? I could be wrong. Yeah, look at all that just bent in there. Damn. Honestly, though, it doesn't look that bad. Another bumper bracket, header panel. This header panel is destroyed, I'm sure. Maybe not. Hell, I don't know. Maybe needs a condenser. Probably needs a radiator. Yeah, she definitely needs this header panel right here. A bumper. The headlight's still intact. The bumper... The grill is still here. This looks like it could be very minimal damage, guys. Did we lose an airbag? No. No, no airbags blown. Oh. Smells good in here. Dead as a doornail. Of course, let's put a jump on it. There we go. Oh, those are good sounds. Ready? Oh yeah. All right. 125,000 on her. Not bad. Try out the air conditioning. Oh, I like that. Look at that. All right. Let's close that door. Maybe it'll shut that beeping up. We got some heated seats. I don't know where you find the power windows at. What does all this do? Return, navigation. Hold on. Where do you find navigation in this car? Uh-oh. Coolant. Dang it. Yeah. All right. The important window works. The AC does feel cold, but it's so hard to tell when it's not, you know, nice and warm outside. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say I think the AC is working. I do. How the hell you turn this off? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna say the AC is working. I don't know how to use all this navigation and stuff because, like, nothing works. Like, there's no screen. Okay, anyway. Backwards. Forwards. Yeah. Okay. Rev it a little bit. And shut it off because it is out of coolant. Not too bad. This really doesn't look bad, guys. Steering felt good. Brakes are good. Revved up nicely. Tires are good. Yeah, it's kind of hard to beat, man. I wish it was that, not the V6. What do they call it? Like a W6 or something like that. I wish it had that one. The VR6. The VR6. That's the one I wish was in it. She's going to need a little bit of work. It's something to think about. Comment below. Tell me what you think of the Audi TT. It's hard to believe, but we made it to the end of the video. Now, I had to rush this one along because I really am. I'm completely out of battery. It may not even finish this outro, so we're going to get out of here. Big shout out and thank you to all of you for watching. I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the content. Drop those comments down below. I'm going to get out of here, but I look forward to seeing you guys again very soon in the next one.